my name is Charlotte and I bake. I started around when I was in 4th grade because it was during COVID and I wanted to find a new hobby. The hobby stuck with me because I love making something that my family and friends can enjoy. It's so rewarding to see someone's reaction when they try something I've made. In other words, creating food for their soul is creating food for my soul. But it was a very time-consuming hobby because if you mess up, you have to throw all that time you spent on it away, and having to redo a recipe over and over because it didn't come out right. I had to do a lot of research on what websites I could use and chefs to follow along the way that fit my taste and style of baking. But you gotta remember, it may not be pretty at the beginning, but practice makes perfect. And start with cookies, because that's easier.